want to introduce this to someone special. Manny, my one and only audience in my art room. Manny, those are my peeps. My peeps. Manny, say hi. Nice to meet you. That's my Manny. I used to make hats. Hence, I've got a Manny. Alrighty. But that's just a side note, right, Manny? Okay. Alright, so I have a brand new idea for you guys. I know. Thank you for hanging out with me, spending your precious time watching my videos, and hopefully you learned something here and there. So I want to do some book covers for you. It's a project that I am actually working on. So as you know, we're going to be doing it on the Surface Pro 6. And I just wanted to give you a heads up, so look for it. I want to start some book covers and just give you a few ideas of how to actually go ahead and you know, make those so you can make them along with me. Hopefully I'm living up to the standard of your artistic idea, but you know, each artist have their own way of actually doing their artwork. So, but the main idea is we will be doing some book covers and probably make a book, and I will show you how I do that. Alright, so stay tuned.